Here's the story of Mitch Mockett. He's owned Mockett Sprockets for 35 years and knows everything there is to know about sprockets. He's even trained a team of trustworthy managers, Melvin, Mickey, and Mallory, to help him run the business. Melvin manages the inventory with the warehouse team. Mickey here is in charge of fielding customer calls and overseeing service appointment scheduling for the sprocket specialists. And Mallory handles the accounting. As for Mitch, he keeps all of Mockett's sprockets moving. For years, Mitch and his managers used a system that included spreadsheets, appointment books, piles of work orders, and lots of post-it notes. Their method worked for a while, when their business was young and the customer base was small. But as they grew larger, they found that this patchwork approach could no longer cut it. It was disorganized, overwhelming, and unprofessional, and their customers were starting to feel it. So the challenge was simple: to improve the workflow without having to invest too much time or money. That got the wheels turning, and luckily, that's when Mitch found FieldOne. FieldOne's scalable field service management software was just the solution he needed, probably because it was developed by industry professionals like him, people familiar with the field and the pros and cons of spreadsheets and appointment books, purchase orders, and whiteboards. Mitch was worried it would all be too complicated for them until he learned that they'd receive free comprehensive training and support. With FieldOne, Mockett Sprockets optimized their project management system and their workflow. The web-enabled applications were intuitive, user-friendly, and they were accessible from their desktops or their mobile phones. FieldOne synchronized the team, easing data and information access and updating, whether from the office, at home, or anywhere in between. They were especially thankful for the customer transaction window for keeping and sharing notes on their clients, including scheduled service calls, ordering and delivery of parts, technical issues, and more, which enhanced their interactions and ability to serve their customers. Melvin easily uploaded all his old inventory data and switched to FieldOne's tracking and PO tools, with feature-rich estimate and purchase features. With FieldOne's automatic alert system, Mickey no longer had to chase anyone down to remind them about their tasks, or feel guilty about all the trees he wasted with forms and copies. And sprocket specialists out on service calls could update their job status and inventory in real time. And Mallory? Well, Mallory retired her calculator and said goodbye to her old databases. With FieldOne, all the financial reports easily integrated with her accounting programs, with Melvin's inventory reports, and with Mickey's work order system. She and Mitch could now see the big picture as they analyzed the technician profitability summaries, customer sales analysis, service histories, and P&L and cash flow. Mallory is all about improving the bottom line. FieldOne offered her attractive, flexible pricing plans and a solution with the breadth and depth to keep revenue from slipping through the cracks. FieldOne helped consolidate all their historical data, creating a complete history of all of their customer, transactional, and work order information. It eliminated the need for double data entry and reduced the number of programs and papers to one all-inclusive solution. With a comprehensive suite of service management features, Mockett Sprockets was able to streamline their system, improving sales, saving time and money, making their lives easier. This brings a smile to Mitch's face. Now, he also has more time and funds to tend his garden, play some golf, work on his vintage T-Bird, and, of course, to hang out with Mrs. Mockett. Mitch never knew life could be so good, or that business could crank along so smoothly. For a personalized demo to see how FieldOne can help you, visit us online or give us a call. FieldOne, #1 in field service management.